The ZONESUN ZS-AFS02R is an automatic cup filling and sealing machine designed for efficient packaging of liquid, semi-liquid, and viscous products. Operating at 25 to 30 cups per minute, it uses a piston pump filling system to ensure accurate dosing and stable performance across a wide range of materials. With its integrated structure, the machine completes cup loading, filling, film placing, sealing, lid placing, and finished product discharge in a continuous workflow. The system supports customizable cup sizes and filling ranges, making it suitable for diverse production requirements. It offers easy parameter adjustment and delivers consistent sealing quality for food, beverage, and dairy applications. Ideal for packaging yogurt, sauces, condiments, beverages, and other cup-based food products.